Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a wise old man named Samir. He was known for his kind heart and wise advice. One day, a young boy named Aryan came to him seeking guidance. Aryan was angry at his friend Rohit for betraying his trust. He wanted revenge and planned to harm him. The old man listened patiently and said, "Anger and revenge will only bring you more pain. Instead, choose forgiveness." Samir shared a story about two friends who had a similar conflict. One chose forgiveness and the other revenge. The one seeking revenge remained bitter and miserable, while the one who forgave found peace and happiness. Aryan realized the importance of forgiveness and decided to let go of his anger. He approached Rohit and talked about their differences. They resolved their issues and their friendship grew stronger. The moral of the story is that forgiveness is a powerful tool that brings healing and peace. Holding on to anger and seeking revenge only prolongs suffering. By choosing forgiveness, we free ourselves from the burden of negative emotions and create space for love and understanding. Remember, forgiveness is not a sign of weakness but a testament to our strength and compassion.